Hi, and welcome to this video about setting up the Relewise MCP in Cursor. So here we have Cursor, and I have opened this C# project here, but it could be any of the languages. And what we need to do is we need to go to File, Preferences, Cursor Settings. And in here we have something called Tools and Integrations, where we have Add Custom MCP. And when we go here, we can see that we get an mcp.json file where we need to put in some data. And this data you will find on our doc site under developer MCP. So what we need to have is we need to have this one, and we need to paste it in here. So we now have the server. And once we do this and close this, we can now see that the MCP tools are here, and we can see there's 5 tools available for this time of recording. In order to make it also better understand the MCP server, it is recommended that you take your AI rules, in this case my project MDC, and go to our site here and choose these 2 rules. That helps it better understand that it's better to use this MCP tool than its world knowledge. So when we put this in, we should then be able to ask what is Relewise. And if you really want to be sure, you can say use tools. But of course, in real life, you would instead use it to say implement my tracking, do this product recommendation, and so on. And you can see it's now calling the tools. I have already given it permission to do so, else it would have asked up front. But it called the tools getting started, then it called the documentation search, and in a little while we will get back what Relewise is. But again, you could easily have asked, please implement my tracking for an unknown anonymous user, and it would have written that code inside your system. But here you see it give it back, and you're ready to go with the Relewise MCP server.